The Defender system is comprised of modular components that connect to a central hub called the Defender module. This modular approach allows for the highest level of corrosion resistance throughout the system, more efficient troubleshooting and repair, and more economical vehicle assembly. The Defender module has a dedicated bus structure, which means each blade position carries the same function in each of the 6 module plug-in ports. The benefit is the harness components can be plugged into any port on the Defender module and function correctly, giving greater flexibility during the build process or troubleshooting. Each individual harness connector contains only the conductors appropriate for its function. The asymmetrical shape of the modular plug only allows them to connect one way, ensuring that all connections are correct. The harness identifier is molded into every harness component, describing its main function and making it easy to identify for installation, routing, and troubleshooting.